Hello everyone, this video is about my alien poncho design. I decided to create videos like this because I like to have my patterns as much easy and clear as I can, and I would like you to know something about the pattern before you purchase it, so I will just show you what kind of material I use, how it looks like, the details of the poncho, and what to expect from the pattern, what kind of techniques I use there, and how long it roughly takes to make it. And I will show you some videos during this process, and you can decide if you want to try this pattern on your own. So let's talk about the material. I mostly use acrylic because the colors I'm after are usually only in acrylic, which is like neon that is UV reactive, so it's shiny under UV light. And by shiny, I mean this. Mostly I buy this Lada Luxus because I found the best choice of these neon colors from them here in my country. I mean, anything like this can be used. This is some standard, and this is Super Mimosa original. It's all weight 3. I also use some wool that I have from my grandma, so I just use what I have. Just need to be similar size. That's weight 3. How I find out if it's UV reactive, I have this trick. I'm having this UV small torch, so when I go for shopping I can just try if the material is UV reactive. And here is the remaining material I use for this poncho. Now let's move to the point where the poncho is already done, so I can show you my color choices. The poncho is done, so I can show you my color choice straight away on that poncho. This poncho I made has two different sides, different color combinations. In the pattern you can either choose to follow just one combination for both sides, or you can do two sides different color combinations as well. So here on these UFOs I use neon yellow for the top, for the windows, and for the light. Under UV it will come out, and the animal here, it's dark color so you can see it clearly. And here in the middle there are the characters. I made them black, so the surrounding around them I use all the light colors. And for the aliens I use two different green ones, this neon one and mint one. Both are UV reactive, and I do one mint, one neon, one mint, one neon all the way around. And here in the middle there are two of the same color, and on the other side there are two of the neon ones, just like this. You can see here on this side I choose the UFOs to be blue with the white top and again neon yellow, and the characters are again black with some light background. I think the characters could be also done some light color like white, and the background could be dark, but that's all just on you, and I'm looking forward to see your combinations. And for that purpose I created for you a coloring picture. It looks like this, and there are also numbers in that picture, so you can pair it with the numbers in the pattern, and you can try different combinations, and you can print it like this and color it, or you can just use some software on your computer or phone or iPad. Some software that has a paint option, and you can play with this. So let's check some videos from the process. Now, what to expect from the pattern? So the pattern has written instructions with different colors, diagrams, and as well pictures. So it looks roughly like this. And now something about the color switching. The most important thing is don't leave all the tails till the end of your work or you will regret. As you can see, the pattern has a lot of color switching, so don't keep all the tails till the end because it would be a lot annoying work after you finish your poncho. So I always carry my yarn, and so here is, as you see, the black one. I would carry it all the way around because it's just a small distance between. But if we have something like this, we have this neon green alien here, and we don't want to be carrying the neon green color all the way to the next one, so we would just cut it off here and hide it to the part that we already made. So don't leave it till the end, like hide it straight away after you cut it off, so you have happy feeling in the end. You don't have to be hiding like thousands of tails in the end of your work. Trust me, it's a lot of color switches, you can see, like a lot. And last thing I show you is how to attach the fringes. So for the fringes I use black, neon green and neon yellow. We cut the yarn 30 centimeter long. We do 12 pieces, 4 of each color, and put it halfway like this. And we have these holes in the last row. We go through from the top to the bottom. So we have this loop and we pull the end of the yarn through and tie it up as much as we can. So there is the knot. So I think that's it. If you don't know how to switch the colors, there is another video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing that. And if you want to purchase the pattern, there will be a link in the comments and in the description, so you can just click there and you can buy the pattern and you can create your own alien poncho and send me your photos because I'm so curious about your color combinations and different versions. So have a beautiful day and see you next time.
Follow my channel for more of my creations.